Severe hailstorms can cause sudden and extensive vehicle damage, including dents, cracked paint, shattered glass, and even mechanical issues. The severity depends on hail size, storm intensity, and vehicle exposure. Left unrepaired, damage can worsen over time, leading to rust, reduced resale value, insurance complications, and hidden structural problems. Timely auto hail repair is crucial to protect a vehicle's safety, performance, and long-term value. Two primary repair methods are available. Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, is a cost-effective, eco-friendly option that restores dents without repainting, preserving factory finishes and resale value. It works best if the paint is intact. Severe damage requires traditional repair with sanding, filling, repainting, or replacing panels. Insurance often covers hail damage under comprehensive policies, reducing repair costs. Car owners should document damage, file claims promptly, obtain estimates, and choose certified repair shops, preferably those recommended by insurers. Choose a repair shop with certified technicians, warranties, insurance ties, and good reviews. Ultimately, hail repair is about more than aesthetics. It protects financial investment, prevents corrosion, and ensures safety. By acting quickly, using the right repair method, and leveraging insurance coverage, car owners can restore both the value and reliability of their vehicles after hailstorms. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 20825-15338. That's 20825-15338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstatepdr.com.